It's $60 for a lip plumper. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the January Lookfantastic beauty box. So this is a beauty subscription box for $19 a month. This is actually my first ever Lookfantastic box and they were actually kind enough to send it over to me. You're actually supposed to get a value of $110. So what I like to do in these boxes is actually add up the value of everything I get in the box and see if that's actually true. So we're going to go ahead and unbox that. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and let's get into this video. So this is very similar to Glossy Box. I'm wondering if they are actually owned by the same people. I actually don't know. And I might have a discount code for you guys. I'm not sure if it's affiliate. It'll be in the description box. It'll be up on the screen. I have to check my emails. I'm not 100% sure if I have an affiliate code, but I know I do have a discount code that may not be affiliate. Either way, there's going to be a discount code so you can get your first month's box for much less money. I'm not sure exactly how much it is though, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I actually really like the color of this. I wish my camera would pick up like the true color, although the lettering, this is just like me being nitpicky, not that it really matters at all anyway, but the lettering is a little hard to read, so I have to like really strain my eyes because the white is like not contrasting enough. So we get a little pamphlet in here. Something smells good. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, it smells like peppermint in there. Wellness is the way, I think, is the theme. I assume so. So you get 6 wonderful new products. You get 6 products a month. I always forget to mention that. And I think that's a really good value. I love beauty subscription boxes because you get to try out new brands, first of all. And in these boxes, just like Glossy Box, I always try out brands I've never heard of. So it's really fun. I also really like that you would get stuff that you wouldn't normally buy yourself, you know? So basically what's in here is what's in your box. It kind of tells you what's in here. And I'm just going to have it open so I kind of have the, oh, it doesn't tell you the prices. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to actually just look up the prices and let you guys know the value at the end because I don't think it tells you. It seems to be a lot of skincare, which I think I've heard Lookfantastic is generally like that. And usually Glossy Box is also like that. It's not a lot of makeup usually in these boxes. The first thing I see here is the Skin Chemist London Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Ooh, this is okay, kind of makeup-y. It says you can boost volume and shine with the perfectly pink lip plump from Skin Chemist. This nourishing formula, that's what I smell, provides a temporary boost to plump the lips, leaving a lasting shine for a pretty pout. I'm a huge fan of lip plumper as long as it doesn't sting too much. But this has peppermint oil and that's what I'm smelling. Oh, I actually found on the site that it is $60 for the 8 milliliters. This is the 8 milliliters. This is a full-size product. $60 for a lip plumper. That's expensive. I hope I don't love this because I'm not going to spend $60 on a lip plumper after this, to be honest. But it better be freaking amazing for that price. Oh, I think it's leaking. Yep, something feels sticky here. So I really hope it doesn't. It's not leaking from the inside because, oh yeah, it doesn't have a stopper. That's what it is. The stopper must be stuck in there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't like that. That's why it's leaking everywhere and that's why it's all over. I don't know if you guys can see if my camera's picking that up. It's very, I don't want to put it on my skin because I'm afraid it's gonna, you know, tingle too much, and it's not meant for the skin, it's meant for the lips. And I'm actually already wearing a lip plumper, so I don't want to put another one on, but it looks clear and it just has like a pink undertone, so it would look really pretty and it would be kind of neutral. I have to figure out the stopper though. If the stopper fall out, ooh, it's leaking a little bit. Let's just put a little bit on top. Okay. Oh, it feels really nice. It's actually really thick, but not too sticky, but I do like the stickiness. It really smells heavily of peppermint though. I really like that though. I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind that at all. Okay, up next we have the Blossom & Blossom Anti-Age Hand Cream. I always need a hand cream, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is a 15 milliliter size for $8.96, so it's not like too expensive. Let's see, what is it? It's powered by nourishing and soothing ingredients. This hand cream is the ultimate hand savior for the cold winter months. Enriched with shea butter, this hand cream delivers and locks in a surge of hydration. Love shea butter. I love a good hand cream. Let's go ahead and smell it because I'm very picky about my smells. Right now I'm using the Bum Bum hand cream, which is my all-time favorite. Oh crap, no, that's too much. Whatever, I guess I'm putting a bunch of hand cream on right now. It just gushed out of there. My hands are so dry in the winter months, it's ridiculous. Okay, it has like a hint of like a citrusy scent with maybe an undertone of pepper. I swear I smell pepper. Oh my gosh, this is a nostalgic scent. What is that? That reminds me of my childhood. I sound like Kathleen Lights. Okay, I like that. Ooh, okay, I like that a lot. Okay, this next thing is really interesting. This is called the This Works. It's the brand This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Okay, so this is, let me see how much it's worth. It's $3.87. It's a 10 milliliter size. So it says January wellness. It's all about the perfect sleep. And what a better way to catch some Z's than with the completely relaxing, totally rejuvenating pillow spray from This Works. This pillow spray is perfect for those who want to wind down. So I bet it has lavender. Yeah, it has lavender and chamomile. Literally the best ingredients to fall asleep to. I will be using this tonight and letting you guys know. It smells like lavender, definitely though. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll keep you guys updated on that one because that sounds really awesome. Next, we have the Ahava. This is the mineral conditioner, but there are different options. Your box might have the shampoo or the black shampoo or the black conditioner. So there's two different types of whatever. I generally like to keep the brand that I use the same, and I'm actually really into Olaplex lately, so I probably will not use this whatsoever, but I do still want to talk about it. So this is $4.20. It's a 40 milliliter, so it's like a travel size, I assume. So what it is a gentle, it's a conditioner. So it has a conditioner that contains aloe vera and chamomile, so it cleanses the hair root to tip. Okay, it's actually talking about the shampoo. I assume the conditioner is probably going to nourish the hair. It's got aloe vera and chamomile as well, so that's cool. I probably won't use this, so I'll probably include it in a giveaway or give it to a family member or something, because I've been loving my Olaplex lately. Leaves my hair looking amazing, so I'm gonna stick to that, I think. But that's cool. On my little pamphlet, it doesn't actually talk about the last two. I think they might be surprise items. Anyway, this is from Bubble Tea Lavender Tea Body Wash. I'm sorry, I'm reading off my phone so I can tell you guys the right details. This is the 100 milliliter size. It's $9.24. I think this is a full size. It's pretty big and it's kind of affordable, so that's cool. And it's a body wash. I'll just read straight off the bottle so you guys have an idea of what it is. It says, let the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extract to soothe your skin and relax your mind. A clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. Let's smell it. I'm always smelling things, I know. Okay. Oh, it's actually like a gel, if you guys can see that. I just poked a hole in it because I'm too lazy. It smells really good. I love the smell of lavender, so I will keep you guys updated on that, even though I always use the same body wash every day. It's the Sol de Janeiro one as well, so whatever, I will still try it and let you guys know. And then the last thing I have here is the Polar Eternal Snow Cream. So this is actually $23.76. It's a 20 milliliter size. It is a cream with Arctic flowers. Okay, let's go ahead and see. This cream forms a protective anti-age barrier. The skin is hydrated and regains its firmness and elasticity. Fine lines and wrinkles disappear, leaving the skin radiant and youthful. I wish it would have instructions. I want to say this is a moisturizer, but I don't know because it doesn't tell me. Like a face moisturizer or if it's a body moisturizer. Let's see. It doesn't smell too much of anything, so I think it might be a face moisturizer. Usually those don't have a scent because people tend to be a little bit more wary to scents. That's cool. I think that's the last item. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and tally everything up so I can come back and tell you guys the value of the box. The total retail value of this box was $110. That's amazing, especially if you're just paying $19. I read on the website right now, just now, get your first box for $10. So I think my discount code, whether it's affiliate or not, will get you the box for $10. Even if it is affiliate, it won't cost you anything extra, but I'll make a little bit of commission and I would greatly appreciate that. Anyway, that is everything that came in this box. I'm quite impressed with this box. It's my first ever Lookfantastic box, and I have to say, I like the variety of items you get in here, even though they're all kind of more catered to skincare type things, but you get that random pillow spray. It's fun. It's like a lot of things that, again, you wouldn't go out and buy yourself. I'm not going to consciously go out and buy a pillow spray. Like, I don't think about things like that. So I think it's a lot of fun to get these kinds of beauty boxes and just kind of experiment with a bunch of different brands. So let me know if you enjoy Lookfantastic, if you have it already, and if you're planning on getting it, also let me know. I would love to know. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You get to, like, you wouldn't, I'm gonna throw it right there because we are gonna be using that tonight. I am excited for that. Not that I have been having any trouble falling asleep, to be honest. I am always so tired. So I think the brand is Bubble Tea, a bespoke blended of fragrance, and I would greatly